Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Learn Bangla. How are you? কেমন আছেন? How are you? কেমন আছেন? Today we are going to learn how to greet people in Bangla New Year. So let's get started. So Bangla New Year is called Pohela Boishak because Boishak is the first month of Bengali calendar. So first day of Boishak is called Pohela Boishak. On this day, people usually greet each other with warm wishes and happiness. So let's see how to greet people. One person can say Shubho Nobo Borsho. Shubho Nobo Borsho. Shubho means happy, Nobo means new, and Borsho means year. So Shubho Nobo Borsho means Happy New Year. In response, other person can also say Shubho Nobo Borsho means Happy New Year. Great job. Now you know how to greet people in Bangla New Year. Now try this with your friends and family. If you want to learn more Bangla language, then like, comment, share and save this video. Shubho Noboborsho. See you in the next lesson.